Go find that single test that is to do. Oh, and of course, start your timer. Good.
All right. Yes.
There's a bunch of to-dos, but only one test that has to do.
Yeah, this one.
There. Okay, this is like a kind of a less important test.
Mm-hmm.
But every test for which there is a code path for, right? Like every code path should ideally be exercised in tests, right?
Yeah.
So there is this code path for, and I can lead you to it. If you go to the browser driver.
Yeah.
And you search for where the browser is initialized. Spawn. See browser spawn?
Yeah.
You get a what? This is not quite what I was expecting to see. Why is that?
Wait, am I on? I'm supposed to be.
No, I understand what I'm saying. It's because it's not actually this file. So there's a browser spawn, line 61. The event sender is passed into that static method.
Mm-hmm.
So let's go into
the event sender.
Into the spawn.
Which
into the spawn.
Yeah.
And browser config, yada yada. Let's see where the browser is actually spawned. There, we get a browser and a handler on 118.
Yeah.
Then we get let's see what we do with the handler. That's where the events are coming from.
Handler.next.
You see, this is a Tokyo spawn.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tokyo spawn into which the handler is moved.
Yeah.
So, and what we do here is just call next in a loop on the handler. That's how we get.
Why there is a next? Yeah. Yeah.
And so CDP errors are from here. We might get them here, and if we get them, we send them as an event. Browser event, CDP error.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So the idea is to have a test that somehow manages to trigger a CDP error. That would be the interesting bit. And then confirms that the app prints it out. Yeah. That's all we do about those errors. We just print them out. In fact, it's not even code that the printing out of events is entirely a general behavior. It's nothing to do with these errors in particular.
Okay.
Can I make a question?
Anytime.
You guys are trying to fix another test, right?
To write a test that is not written.
Okay. Okay.
So CDP is the Chrome DevTools protocol, and it's how we control the browser after we launch it.
Oh, yeah.
And there are these errors that it's like not even an error that is defined in the protocol or anything like that. I think it just means this library that we're using, chromium oxide,
Mhm.
if it, like, I don't know, receives a message that it doesn't understand from the browser or fails to parse some of its communication with the browser, I think it'll just, give us one of these errors.
Mhm, mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to find how to trigger one.
That's what I'm thinking.
Mhm, mhm.
What do you think?
Mm. Either that, or we could try to create a manual handler that has an error as well. But where is the handler coming from?
Okay, you mean to mock, to do a fake?
Yeah, to mock it. Yeah.
Okay, well, how about we try to trigger a real one and
Mhm, mhm.
consider
Yeah.
other options?
I'm done like this.
So I think we should probably rotate.
Yeah.
So
Mhm.
do the mob next thing and
Yeah. I mean, I haven't written anything, but yeah. Okay, I'm up. Yeah. All right.
Olivier, take command.
All right. Flavio, take the helm.
Let me try to the realm. Oh my god! The realm is
H-E.
actually H-E. No, I know. Yes. I'm always forget how to pronounce these words. Realm.
No, there's no R. It's H-E-L-M.
H-E-L-M.
It's like
Helm.
helmet.
Oh, it's a helmet. Oh my god. I thought it was R-E-L-A-M. Realm. Oh, that explains a lot. Yes. No, it's a helm. Oh, it's much simpler. Okay, let's see. So I share my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see it. I will always restart the dar environment. And let's see. And then we have mob start. Are we using 7 or 10 minutes?
7, please.
7, yeah.
7, okay. Okay, I'll just copy this. Alt. Okay, so it was on S. I don't remember which file.
The name of the test was in end-to-end.rs in CDP error.
SDP.
CDP.
CDP. Okay, yours.
Yeah.
Oh, this
exactly
one?
there. Yeah. That's the only test that's left to do.
Okay, so I'm lost.
I think we want to initiate a browser. I don't remember how it's done in the other test. Let me check.
No, don't check. Ask your pilot.
Oh. So how can we spawn a browser there? Okay, that seems nice. Yeah. I don't know what picture it is.
I think we could. I don't know. We could copy this or at least check if it's the. I think that's the structure because you need to wait for the browser being spawned.
Yeah. All right, seems fair.
Seems good enough.
Yeah.
And but I have no idea how we can wait for the CDP errors.
Mm.
Tests, many tests. Wait for stood air contains.
Oh yeah, the one now on
Oh,
line
it's the
144.
same. Oh, okay. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Where I can find the proper STD error string?
Well, we know part of it, right? It's going to say event, and it's going to say something like browser,
Instead of
and then it's going
build.
to say something like CDP error, and then the specific CDP error will be printed as well. If I remember correctly what I did there.
Black. Okay, let's see if I can find it. Oh, it's here, like this.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
where it would. Like the last part of it will come from there.
Right. Yes.
Okay,
So
so but how it trigger an error?
that's a good question.
Could look at the CDP error type and see maybe it's an enum that has variants that'll give us an idea.
CDP error.
This. Received no response from the Chrome instance, unexpected WS message, browser process, exiting status before could be resolved. Timeout, process input error, just timeout.
We can just send it to an URL that doesn't exist, right? You would get a request timeout, wouldn't it?
A what that doesn't exist? A browser?
A website that doesn't exist. Oh no, that's opening. Okay, that's launching the browser. Okay, never mind.
Frame not found sounds like an easy one.
Yes, or maybe the code error. We can, I don't know, request something weird. But okay, how we can frame not found? Oh yes, I think you're right, frame not found. But how we can request a frame?
In CDP terminology, a frame is a tab.
Oh.
A browser tab.
Oh really? Oh, that actually makes sense. Oh, okay. So, interesting. So we can just let me think.
In the tests. Wait, which test is it?
The thing is, yeah, I have an idea.
Yeah, go ahead.
I have an idea. So, because we can connect to the same browser using the same library from the test.
Yeah,
we have a method for that.
Oh.
So if we like interject like that and just close a page and then ask the, trigger a rebuild, then the subject will request a the browser to reload that frame, and we'll get a frame not found.
Yes.
That can be a good idea.
Yes. So, so we need to, I don't know, not how even to open a specific. Oh, it's mob. So just save it.
So
So
you can take
mob
command,
next.
Flavio.
Okay, take commands. Okay,
I'll take the helm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Screen shared.
Yeah, we can see it properly. Nice.
Here's a test CDP.
Yeah, CDP.
Error. Remove this ignore. So the browser here spawned, and now we do something like subject dot
load page or something.
Connect to browser.
Connect to browser. Right.
Let browser.
Oh, that's how we connect it. So okay.
Oh, this one is
is
this one makes this
sync.
Sync function and Tokyo test. Consider awaiting. Okay.
Yeah, all right.
At this point, we should have a page. So let's like get it, obtain it, and close it. I think we have an example for this here.
We have the index.html in some test, right? The right source file, or in page content is served in 531.
Like this?
Yeah.
Sure, we will do that at some point. Like we will do it here, for example. Trigger. But we need to kill that page before that. So I have something here about frames, or what are they called? Targets? Yeah, this thing. Get
target
params. Okay, so now I think I got it wrong, because I'm sorry, targets are tabs.
Oh, okay.
What's a frame?
Frames.
Okay, let us explore. Browser. CDP error. Here's a CDP error.
I'm actually questioning if tab can have multiple frames, because in normal browsers settings you can have iframes and stuff like that. But this is just a random question that popped in my mind. It's not really relevant.
Well, since this is a frame is not a target, then if we want to continue with this plan, we have to find something like target not found. Like, what is this, for example? Requested value. How about we just do this and we see what error we find?
Yeah, it's okay.
Try it.
That seems like good enough.
Yeah.
So for that, we need to do something like let targets or something like that. Let's find, I think, here, this thing. Let's grab all this.
Interesting.
And stick it here. So here, pages are not really pages, because those pages were created by the client that is in the subject. So the library that we're using here does not know about these pages. So we need to use commands directly like this, and instead of the nice methods that the API provides.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
We use this like generic execute, and then we do this, and
Mm-hmm.
so now we should have all the pages,
Mm-hmm.
and we should have the single page. This, because we panic if there's not one. So that's
Mm-hmm.
good. And now that we have this page, we want to like browser.execute, I don't know, close target params. There we go.
Mm.
Target ID. Page dot target ID.
Okay.
And then it's probably an await. Oh, sorry, await unras.
Mm-hmm.
Cloning. Oops. Come on. No autofix.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah, I think we need to like wait on something
Mm-hmm.
that is
Yes.
wrong in order to keep
Yes.
waiting forever,
Yes.
and then run it.
Yep. Seems nice.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see what we get.
Oh, we got it. WebSocket
Where?
protocol error.
Oh, where is it? Wait, I don't see.
This is the reload error,
Mm-hmm.
but here we got the CDP error as well.
Yeah, WebSocket protocol error. Oh, okay, that's nice.
Mm-hmm.
But what is the error then? Oh, it's the connection with the. Okay.
Reset without closing handshake.
Actually, I
Okay.
don't. This is not like what we meant to do.
Yes, it's another one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is not what we meant to happen. Like, this seems like a coincidence.
Sure.
Yeah.
Right.
So let's see. So I say who is going to take the helm, right?
You're currently the
Command
captain,
now.
Mm-hmm.
and you should say something like, "Don't take command."
Okay, so don't take command.
Yeah.
I have command.
Yeah.
So I need to say something else.
No, I'm waiting for Olivier to take the
Oh.
helm. I believe.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
thought that was obvious, but
Yeah, I was waiting for you to say that I was taking the helm. Was hanging. Okay. So mode. Oh. All right.
show us the test again. I
Yeah.
mean the result of it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what
You
was
need to run
the
it with
no capture?
this way.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So let's see what it gives.
The problem, I think, is that this particular error is is caught. You see, we have the event browser reload error.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Yes.
So we don't get a CDP error for this. We get a reload error.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then we have an error straight from the, you see that error is not like printed from, that's not our trace. That's the library trace.
Mhm. Mhm.
Oh,
Chromic
really?
side.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense actually.
Which makes me think, if the library is tracing these errors,
But couldn't it
we
be?
can ignore them. Like, if the only thing we do is like also trace them, then we don't need to do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, here's the fact, right?
Mhm.
The same error is showing up twice, right? This CDP error, but actually our tracing is printed with print with display, and theirs is with debug.
Mhm. Mhm.
Oh, how do you know that? May I ask?
Because it's like, it looks like a debug representation of the struct WS
This one, yeah.
with a
Oh,
field,
got it. Got it.
and
Yes.
ours is like, it says WebSocket protocols error,
Mhm.
connection
Yes.
reset without closing handshake.
Yes. Yes.
Mhm. So yeah, that's
So
since we already have this, that's yeah.
Yes.
yes, but okay, so we can change the behavior, but we still want, I would still like to,
To see, yeah.
yes,
Mhm.
because this is important. This is behavior that is important to our users, I would presume.
Mhm.
If something goes very wrong and our client cannot control their browser properly, especially since we don't provide a browser, right? They provide their own browser.
True. Mhm.
Mhm.
The very least we can do is like tell them, hey, this is exactly the CDP error.
Mhm. Mhm.
Also, another point is that no, I don't have another point. Their the behavior, their log level is actually more appropriate than ours. Or maybe theirs is like too severe. I don't know. Should it be warning instead? Ours is info. We should definitely not be. Should be
Yeah. Warn or
at
Yeah.
least warning.
Mhm.
But let's focus on triggering something intentionally instead of unintentionally.
Mhm.
Mhm. Mhm.
So why does this happen? How is the connection reset without closing handshake? What's going on here? I mean, everything is just waiting, right? Like the client does not, the subject does not close, it does not terminate. The test does not terminate. So why is the connection being reset at all?
Because the
Does it have
browser
to do
is
with,
reloading, maybe?
no. This is control via a protocol, not like WebSocket in-page JavaScript execution.
Okay.
If that's what you're thinking.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I was thinking the same actually.
Maybe we can go and see what triggers this.
I have an idea.
Yeah.
Show us the browser init again where we send those events.
Yeah.
The
Wait for it.
loop on the handler.
Yeah. What was it again?
This file.
The common. Yeah,
Browser.
that was it, right? Oh, browser. Spawn.
There's a Tokyo spawn here somewhere.
Yeah, here. Okay, sorry. And you want to see the FTP error class or just this?
No, here.
Hmm.
Well, I thought maybe we stop awaiting the next, but we don't.
Uh-huh.
We don't stop this. This is while let sum, right? So it's never supposed to, like if it reached none, right? If for some reason this iterator ended, that's not
Mhm.
like us doing something wrong. This is how we're supposed to. This is supposed to be a never-ending iterator, I guess.
Yes.
Or is it a stream? Because there's an await there. I think it's a stream. Take command.
Yeah, and Flavio, you can take the helm.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear
You can take the helm.
the helm. Okay. So we have more. Step 7. Okay, so close target params. I have a question.
Yeah.
Doesn't the order of this waiting matters? I think it does matter. Let me. I forgot is the
No capture.
no capture. Yes. Let me think. Because let me think. What happens if we just do this? Okay.
I just want to say something about protocol.
Yeah.
I notice, Flavio, that you're on
Yes.
in other in other cycles, in other turns. In other turns, you were less involved, and now when you're pilot, you seem to be more involved. You seem to be more active. You're trying to figure something out, have an idea, trying it.
Yes.
And I want you to know that in this format, the pilot is least responsible, has the least amount of responsibility. Like the pilot can literally just wait for orders.
Okay.
I'm not saying, Flavio, be quiet. What you're saying is nonsense. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying I'd like you to be more active when you're not pilot.
Oh, so it's the opposite.
Yes.
Is
and
there...
when you're pilot, be active. Like it's you saw how active I am when I'm pilot.
Yes.
It's because I'm pretty sure that I know what to do.
Yes.
Like if it's obvious that if like the only reason I'm self-piloting is because I think I know what is expected of me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
So that's
So I
okay,
think
but go ahead.
no, go ahead. Mhm.
No, that makes sense to me, but can I ask a weird question, Dan? Like,
Mm-hmm.
w- do you know what's the idea behind it? Because for me, it's at least is much easier to have ideas if I'm actually working with the code. But that, like, I understand what you're saying, but
Mm-hmm.
I don't know the why. Why it's have to be done the way that why it's done the way you're saying.
We're trying to separate
Mm.
the actual editing of the code
Mm.
from the rest of this activity,
Oh
from the rest of this
yes.
work. If, like in theory, because you're not
Mm.
editing code, when we are not editing code, we're not doing something. So our minds should be free to think of the problem.
Yes.
In theory.
Yes, that makes sense. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. For me, it's a little bit difficult to think in the problem. For example, because I'm not sure about how the library works and how other internal workings are, how they work and stuff like
Mm-hmm.
that. Yes, but I
Ask,
think we can keep.
ask. I happen to
Okay.
know more than the rest of
Mm-hmm.
us. That's
Yeah.
why you don't see me asking much. But
Mm-hmm.
that's not always the case. And if I need to, if
Mm-hmm.
I don't know something and you know something, because we're
Mm-hmm.
using a library that you have experience with,
Mm-hmm.
then you'll see me asking you all everything I need to know.
Mm-hmm. So okay, let's do the right way then. Okay, so um give me
But
instructions.
exactly.
Yeah.
Ask,
Pretty
but
much.
when you're not
Oh,
pilot.
okay.
Mm.
It's okay, it's not very strict. It's okay to also like have
Mm-hmm.
conversation when you're pilot.
Mm-hmm.
But what we should be trying to avoid is that the pilot is also, everything else.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
It's called a runaway pilot.
Okay.
So what we were, could you go back in the browser file we were earlier in the
Yes.
at line 29?
Mob.
Oh, okay.
Down, do you like to? Okay, do you like that I just restart the timer because I think we were having an important conversation, or do you want to just go mob next?
To me, it's whatever. So,
Okay,
yeah.
so I'll just
Um,
restart the timer.
it's the idea that you lost something because you
Mm-hmm.
didn't get to edit code when you were
Mm-hmm.
pilot. I think I try to be like, it's more important that the flow continues
Oh yes, got
than
it.
we like have the feeling that we got something out of being captain or out of being pilot.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's that's my reasoning. But I think this comes from doing this a lot, and then
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we can go mob next.
Yeah, let's mob next. Yeah.
Okay.
And I give you command.
Command. So
I'll take the helm.
okay.
Screen shared.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
The question was, why is the WebSocket error coming up, right?
the audio got lost in the end.
Oh, sorry. My question was that we are trying to figure out where the WebSocket error is coming from. Is it what we are trying to do now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, I have noticed a problem with your audio, Olivia.
Oh.
It's crackling, like frequently.
For me, it's not crackling actually.
You don't get that at all?
I don't get that. No, it was just last time that I couldn't hear the end of the sentence, but it was. But otherwise, I don't have no problem with that.
Interesting.
Okay.
Olivia, would you mind reloading the page?
Yeah, sure.
Do 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 do.
Is it fine now? Oh, I have a camera.
I'm not sure. Please state your name and occupation.
Yeah. So my name is Olivier, and I like programming, pretty much.
Okay, that sounded good.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yes.
You asked whether someone asked whether we should look at why.
Yeah.
This is WebSocket. Why we get that error?
Mm-hmm.
I suggest there may. I mean, we could do that. We also could try to initiate another error. It's like,
I don't think it's really important to understand where this error is coming from, since we are trying to do things that are not happening. Like, so I think it's nice also to go find how to trigger this CDP error correctly.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes, I agree.
So I'm going to CDP error. We don't get that here. We get that here. Browser driver here.
Yeah.
There's a WebSocket, IO. Serde.
Received no response from the Chromium instance. Okay.
Ooh, we could just kill it.
Yeah.
That would be quite straightforward.
That could pretty, yeah.
But how do we prevent? Maybe. I mean, maybe it'll result in the browser saying, "Hey, bye bye, I'm going down," and then it's not an error.
Either kill it or just make it hang, I think.
Make it. We can do that. We can make it hang somehow.
I think that would. I don't know.
Okay, let's try to kill it. That's pretty simple.
Yeah.
So instead of this stuff, we do browser.kill.
All right.
Forcibly kill respond. This is forcibly. There's browser close. This method provided to help if the browser does not close by itself. You should prefer to. So should we try close first? Request for the browser to close completely. Okay, let's try this.
Oh, zombie process as well. All right, let's. Oh, browser cannot borrow.
Mute. And this does not need mute. And just
Yeah, let's see what it does then.
what do we have here?
We also get the WebSocket error.
Here's where the browser spawned. And here's the WebSocket connection error. Reset without closing handshake.
Okay.
And from the subject.
Mm-hmm.
And then we. Okay, so it noticed this.
Mm.
And then we triggered, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the build terminated. And now we are telling the browser to reload, and it is like somehow
Cannot reload.
reloading. No,
Yes.
this is kind of a success. This looks like a success. I don't know why we shouldn't get this, right? Like we shouldn't.
Yeah, this shouldn't work. Yeah.
It doesn't mean that the page reloaded successfully. That we have no event for that. But this coming from, so reloading comes from browser reloading. I don't know. Events. Reload. See this? It's like as soon as we here, you see this wait match await okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then like we confirm that. Kind of looks off to me.
Yeah.
Like it shouldn't.
It should trigger a reload error, right?
Yeah, like that method should not return okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perhaps we didn't wait for the browser to close properly?
I don't think we. I don't know.
Yeah.
I've rotated.
Yeah,
okay.
Do I get command? Olivia?
It wasn't. It was Flavio that had command.
Oh, it was me. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take command.
And I take the helm then.
Okay.
So, so did we wait on the browser correctly? That's the question. Yeah, we awaited the close. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So it should work properly, but then.
So as far as this test goes, it's like we can complete this test, but we have discovered some other weird
issue,
behavior, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the weird behavior is that this isn't triggering an error, right?
Yes.
Yes, but like we don't know whether it really should. We don't know why. Right? Like
I mean, there is no browser, so it shouldn't.
does it return okay with unit or something else? Yeah, you pointed at it. I
Yeah.
saw the unit.
Oh, this one. Yeah.
Huh. How the heck can this succeed? What's the deal? And what about close? What does that return?
Where? Sorry.
We do that in the test.
Oh, yeah. Result close return.
What is close returns? Hey, show the docs.
Yeah.
I mean, just point at it.
Oh, I can just.
Yeah. No, point at it. That was even better. Just point at it. Yeah.
I can.
This? What? Just point at it. This way, yes.
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Sorry.
And also you can scroll that if it's not all.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Is it like buggy in the way you cannot move your mouse down into it? There you go.
What the fuck? Okay, I'm. Well, if the browser was spawned.
It's recommended to wait for the spawn instance to exit, avoid zombie process. Oh, doesn't we need to use browser wait or call one of these methods?
We could do a wait, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the request. It doesn't wait for it to. Let's try wait.
Yes.
But hold on.
Yeah.
Like if the browser was spawned by browser launch. Yeah, it was spawned by browser launch, but not this browser. This browser, what is a browser? There's a browser, actual browser, and there's a browser instance, right?
Yeah.
This browser instance was not created with browser launch. It was created with browser connect.
Yeah.
Right? It was created, the browser was spawned with browser launch from the subject. So the subject can call these methods, right? Like the subject can do close and await properly. What we can do is not use these methods, but instead maybe just use the PID to send a signal and wait for it somehow. I mean, do these not work at all? Like, why do they work? Why does close seem to work? What happens if we do wait and close? If
we can
see what I mean?
Try. Yeah.
Because I don't think it. Yeah. Okay. We can try. I wonder because I don't know. I don't know that it's like a CDP command to terminate the browser, or is it something the library does additional with like the PID of what it launched, right?
I mean, we can see we can look at the function.
Yeah, it's a bit of a dig.
Yeah, true. True.
Well, we can try though.
To
do wait instead.
Yeah. I'm good with trying.
Yeah. Oh.
It's not both.
Oh, it's just wait.
Yes.
Okay.
And what does wait return? Exit status. We don't particularly care.
Yeah.
Oh, but there is some. This call has no effect if this browser did not spawn any Chromium instance. Okay, that's bad. Like, we shouldn't use this at all. That's exactly the case.
Yes.
We shouldn't even try this. No, we need to grab the PID and send a signal and somehow even wait for.
Can I do something like
No, it's not on the browser, but it is on the subject, maybe the state for testing browser PID.
Oh, should I? I don't know how to. What?
I think it returns a result.
Yeah.
Unwrap it.
Sorry, my keyboard is too. Like in the lab, I have to use a different keyboard, so I'm all messed up at home. And then I can get that browser PID. Yeah. Okay. And wait. Oh, unwrap as parentheses. Okay. Oh, it's wait, that doesn't have parentheses. Okay. Sorry, I got confused. Mobbing next? All right.
Take command.
Yeah. And Xavier, you can take the helm.
Okay. Sharing. Oh my god, how we do. Okay. Mob start S.
Yeah. So you can go into the end-to-end, the test we were trying to solve. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we were unwrapping the browser PID, and so now we have to somehow kill the PID, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
So I don't know how you kill something in Rust, but maybe there is.
Me neither.
Okay. Don, do you know?
Yes. Since we
Okay.
don't have a child process because we didn't spawn this, we have only a PID, then the only thing we can do is send a signal.
Okay, so send a kill
Mhm.
signal.
We have a library for that.
Okay.
The library is, it's probably already here.
We have.
It's not any of this. It's line 29.
Oh, Nix?
Yes, it's unrelated to
Okay.
Unix. It's more like
Oh,
Unix.
Oh, okay.
Oh yes, that
And
makes
so we have
sense.
signal. Okay. So we try to do
That's the
signal.
signal type, but it's not going to be on the signal type. It's going to be something like Nix and then
Send signal or
sys.
something.
I think it's going to be something like kill.
No.
It wasn't sys. It's.
But
Oh.
You don't have, like, this is not the most effective way to search for what you're looking for.
Yeah, we can check out the doc, I guess.
You
Okay.
just type it in your editor as if, and then you save.
And see if it
Oh,
compiles.
got it.
And then you see
I'll go
suggestions
back.
for things to.
I'll go back. Okay,
So there we want to do
I'll type
Nix dot.
Nix.
Without any of this Nix.
Oh, okay, just the
Just
sys then.
something like kill.
Kill.
Not caps.
Probably.
Oh.
Yeah.
Camel.
Why it has to be so specific? Okay.
Snake case.
Use
Oh,
Nix.
got it. This one.
Yes, that one.
Yeah.
I
And
have
so
a PID.
the PID and the signal. Can you hover the kill function? The kill corpus? Yeah. So what
There
does
are
it take?
constants. So you can just all caps the signal you want into there.
Okay. So like kill, I guess, all caps.
Yes.
I think term is probably what we want. If we can get away with graceful termination, then it's sig term.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah,
It should be this one.
Signal. And yeah.
What's complaining? Oh, it's another structure.
Oh, we have to create a PID, I guess. Okay.
Yes. Let me see PID. Oh, it's just
okay.
a structure.
So you can just wrap the PID with the subject that
like
state
this.
Yeah, well, it works as well. Yeah.
No.
You can
Not that
cast.
simple.
You can cast
Oh,
with as
like
keyword.
okay, so delete.
wait a sec. Like this?
Well, not
No.
cast. You still have to construct the PID,
Mm-hmm.
but the PID takes an I32 and you're giving it a U32, so you can cast
Oh.
the U32.
Sorry.
That's it.
Oh, it's
As, yeah.
got
Okay.
it. Okay, got it. As I32, got it.
Yeah.
Something like that. It's still complaining.
Similar name, PID.
Oh, you meant from raw, maybe. No.
That
Constructor is
field
not
is
visible
private,
here.
apparently.
Okay, so
Yes.
maybe try to do new, I guess.
I think it is from raw.
Oh, wait a minute. What happened?
I think it is the from raw
No.
method.
Oh,
Yes.
it's so from row. Okay, let's see if
I'll
that works then.
What does raw
Okay.
take? From raw.
From row.
PID type. I have no idea what.
Yeah.
It can be like a type of reference or something like that. Can I double check PID type? Or because it's
Yeah.
Well,
I mean,
the only
we
thing you
can
can
try
do
to
is
see.
remove.
I
You can
think
try
it's
to remove the
it's
as
I32.
Okay, it's type alias. Okay. Okay, so nice.
yes.
Let's try to see if that works now then.
Well,
Let's see.
it's not.
Or
There's a race here, right? Like we're not waiting for the browser to actually. We're just
have to-
immediately triggering.
So, yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So I will comment this.
I don't know how to
Wait
do this
for
part.
this.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we wait for the like the process received the signal.
Yes.
But I don't know how to wait for a process that we don't own. Just by a PID. Maybe we can actually create a child from a PID. Maybe that's unsafe. I don't know. Maybe there's a way to do that.
I particularly don't feel confident with this idea.
Well, the documentation can tell you whether you should or should not be confident, right?
Yes. Mob. Okay, I will just mob next.
Yeah, and I give you command.
I command so. Oh, it's Oliver, right?
Yep.
Okay. You take the helm.
I think it's my turn.
Yeah, I think
Okay,
it's
so
time
you
to take the helm.
down. Go ahead.
Shared screen.
Yeah.
So I think we could start by. I'm not sure if the kill method is sync or async, but I think we could try just running the test. Maybe. What do you think? Just to see what happens.
Yeah, we could try. I guess.
Well, when we identify a possible race condition, that's when we say, yeah, we should make sure that there's no race condition, because even if it works, it just happens to work.
It doesn't mean it works 100%.
Yes. Yes.
The kill method is the kill method of like sending a signal. The sending of the signal is synchronous, but it does not include waiting for the process to do anything like terminate.
So what can we do there? Mm,
I suggested we look at the documentation of the child
yeah.
struct, see
Yeah,
whether we can
okay.
construct it from a PID.
Yes,
Okay.
let's see.
So I'm going to this kill. I am doing something like Rust child. Okay. There's nothing here about constructing it from a from a raw PID.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
What's a raw handle?
No idea. Let's check.
No
Into raw
idea
handle,
neither.
raw handle. Oh, this is
Oh, Windows
Windows.
only.
Wow.
How
As
nice.
handle. Child. Windows
Windows only.
Okay, it's LLM time. What's an idiomatic way to to signal term a process by PID and wait for its termination sync in or async? I don't think it matters. Sync or async in Rust.
Mm-hmm.
Nix crate. There's wait PID. There you go.
Oh,
Oh,
If
okay.
it doesn't make it up, right?
yes.
Let's see if it additionates or not then.
Okay.
Mm.
Wait
Hmm.
PID supposedly takes a PID and whatever that is. So I'm going to do something like wait PID. This
Mm-hmm.
one. Okay. Okay. I'm not getting docs for this for some reason.
Mm.
Import this one. I thought I did import it, but no. Wait for process to change status. Okay. I can do that.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
let's make the PID once.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, shadowing, fine. That's very nice, right? That it tells
Mm-hmm.
me it's going to shadow.
Yeah. That's
Mm-hmm.
sick. It's so nice to be able to do this actually. Shadowing as well.
So we have the kill, and then we have
Mm-hmm.
wait PID. Options. I don't know if we need options. What are the options for this? Let's see. Cargo, doc, open, P, Nix. Oh, we have two of them. How unfortunate.
Mm. Oh.
Well, it's probably mostly the same. So
Yes.
Nix at 0.31.
Okay.
Wait PID.
Mm-hmm. Wait for process to change. Yeah.
JS.
It's an option of some stuff, so we can just give
It's this.
manually. Oh, W exceeded. That's what we want to do, right?
So there are all these bits here,
Mm-hmm.
and this is Unix systems API coming from the C system call stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And this is like bit. So insert, right? Like if we do none, like new or something, and then we do insert. I suppose these are the options. Report the status of selected processes that have continued from a job control stop. Don't know what that is. So any of these can be like yes, true or false, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's try without
Yeah.
default.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see what it does.
Rotated.
Oh, yeah. Sharing screen.
Flavio, pass command.
So,
Yeah.
You're the captain, and
okay.
you should
So,
probably pass command to me.
okay. Down. Take command.
I have command.
Okay, so let's try the test.
There's a warning there. I think we should take a look at that. Should probably unwrap that.
Okay, let's check again. Test, sorry. So, what do we get? We get
Oh.
E-child.
it panic.
1309. What is 1309?
I think is the unwrap on the 13.
On the
Oh
wait
yes, the
PID.
wait PID.
So this panics.
Do you think? Wait. E-child. You think it wasn't found?
We could look on the docs about what this value means, but maybe.
So it's wait PID that's causing us issue. So wait, what? There's still
click. Okay. I thought you could click result.
Oh. This one?
And see what result this is. You see the air no?
Yeah.
That.
But there is
Click
error
that.
value.
That's what we got. We got one of these. But there's no documentation here. We got an E-child, right? Probably coming straight from the POSIX, whatever, number 10. So yes, do go to that upstream system docs, the open group-based specification, whatever that is. Maybe this is part of POSIX. A newer edition of this document exists here. Wow. Newer than this?
Okay.
They still keep making these? Anyway, we don't need newer.
Okay.
What is E-child?
The process does not exist, or is not a child of the calling process.
There are two.
True.
Yeah, like you've skipped one.
Yeah, this one. The calling
No
process has not
existing.
existed and waited for child process.
Existing unawaited for child process.
Oh no, that's the wait function. We're interested in this one, right?
Yes,
see.
yes, you're right. Yes.
So it was this one, yeah. So it either
Yes.
does not exist or is not a child of the calling process.
Yes.
Oh,
or the
it is
process-
not a child of the calling process.
Yes.
Wait, so how do you signal something you don't?
That's a good
But
question.
it is a grandchild of it. It's a permissions problem.
Yeah. It seems like.
How do we gain permission to signal a grandchild?
That's a good question.
Find out.
Adam? I don't know.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever way you can find out.
Yeah.
Let's ask.
I don't think this is a Rust question. You'll give it the Rust context and it'll go too far away from. I think this is like, yes, okay. Great child?
Grand.
It's a
grand.
Yes.
Yeah.
Grandchild?
Or grand?
Grandchild is not. And we were talking about Linux here.
Is that incorrect?
I would ask, under what circumstances, or how can a process, when can a process be allowed? When can a process signal its how do you say opposite of ancestor?
Descendant?
Yes.
How can a Linux process signal its descendant, non-child descendant?
Yeah. Oh.
Don't rotate yet because we're in the middle of something.
So does that sound good, you think?
That sounds good enough for me.
Okay. I think the termination, it doesn't matter, right? Because this is probably any signal. They probably all share the same permission set, but I don't know.
Okay, let's wait. Sorry, it's not the fastest. Okay. So.
Oh.
This is not good. This is not even, does not even start good.
Yes. And it seems to be getting a little bit too complicated.
A sub reaper. What the hell?
Do you get any value from this software?
Yeah. The
Well, rotate.
yeah.
Yes.
Olivia, take command.
Yeah. Now you take the how.
Okay. Share screen. Share. Okay. So so what we are going to do? Actually,
We probably want to ask.
Another LLM.
okay.
It would be
Another
the plan,
LLM.
I think.
Okay. We
What's
can
your go-to
always.
LLM?
I usually use is duck.ai because I can. Oh, blah blah blah.
Okay.
I can select the LLM mod and stuff
Oh,
like that.
okay.
It's from DuckDuckGo.
Yeah.
What we are trying to, but I'm thinking, I don't know. I don't even know what to ask.
So we want to ask
Because
how to. I can tell you the question I told it.
how to kill
Yeah. When can a Linux process signal its non-child descendant termination?
Linux process can
Signal
signal.
its non-child descendant.
How I can say that's not a child is like a grandchild. It's a grandchild. That's the term.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. I think
That's good enough. Okay.
yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Do you really read that fast?
Yes, actually. Yeah, but it's
So we have the grandchild PID, right?
yes, we're probably, but I don't think we have permission. I'm actually not sure if this is a good. It seems reasonable, but I'm not. I'm not even sure if it's actually a good answer. But
Process group of section signal.
It should be, because it's an easy question. People have been mucking around with this
yeah,
stuff for ages.
yes,
And this makes me think that we do have permission.
yes, but we were getting that error. So is the like
What does
so
the
with
error say exactly?
the a child error?
Yeah, each ID for the process specified by PID does not exist or is not a child of the calling process, which is the case, right? So that's normal.
Yes.
So we would like to call this from the child, but I don't
Yes.
think that's doable.
But we kind of have a difference of opinion here.
Yes, from
Between
different
the error?
LLMs.
No, but between this answer
Mm,
and the description of the error.
mm,
Yeah.
Is that right? Can we get the
yes.
description of the error on screen here?
Yes.
Yeah, just run
Let
the
me see.
test
The
then.
child Unix. It's what is the wait PID?
That-
Wait
Yeah.
PID error. Let's see.
Yeah.
I will just Google for this one. Let's see. I think
What
we
we're
got
looking for
some.
the man page for weight. I saw it there. Weight PID.
Unix.com. That's
Whatever.
yes. That
It's all the
seems
same.
reasonable.
E-child.
So each just control F, I think.
Name. No, it's
Um,
wait. It's not wait PID. Wait a second. Wait, oh, it's here. Description. Blah blah blah.
Search for e-child.
Yeah.
Oh, it's here.
Okay. So that's exactly, yeah, that's the same.
If the process specified in PID does not exist,
or is not a
or
child
is
of
not
the
a child
calling process.
of the calling process. This can happen for one's own child. Huh? Is it truncated?
Yes, a little
One's own
bit.
child if the action for sig child is set to sig IGN. Threads. What about threads? The single Unix specification describes a flag SA no cold wait not supported under Linux, such that if either this flag is set or the action for the exit do not become zombie, then call to wait. Blah blah blah.
I think it's this one. The original POSIX standard left the behavior of setting under unspecified. Later standards, including blah blah blah, specified the best just because blah blah. This is not conform to the second. Just describe if a wait counts are made definition being ignored. The call behavior just as always not being ignored.
Do you think this man page kind of hand waves the fact that it could be a descendant, not just a direct child? According to the LLM, it can be a descendant.
Yeah, but
Do you want to like ask not a fast model, but like a more?
Let me see. Yes. Oh, we can rotate? Okay,
yes.
we'll rotate.
Yeah. And I give you command.
Okay, so yeah, so I think we can ask another LLM with a more it's like thinking mode, something like that. I think it's down. It's your turn to. Yes, it is.
Does a Linux process have permission to signal a descendant that is not any descendant?
Direct.
Any descendant? Yes, in practice, a Linux process can usually send signals to any of its descendants, but it's not a special descendant permission. It's based on standard signal permission rules. Signal sending permissions from kill to man page to send a signal from process A to process B. One of these must be true. A is privileged. Okay, that's not the case. The real or effective UID of A matches the real or saved set UID of B. Oh, there's nothing to do with permissions, huh? Nothing to do with permissions. Special case for SIGCON. There's no dedicated kernel rule that automatically grants a process permission to signal its descendants. This is why I like Grok. It doesn't. Why it usually works for descendants. Okay. Okay, so that leaves there is no such process. There is no such process, right? Cargo test.
Probably, yeah.
There isn't. Apparently, I think it's a race condition. Maybe this the signaling worked fast enough that by the time we try to wait for it, it's gone.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, that could make sense. Yeah.
Yes. So it's like
Yada, yada, yada.
So we can. So let's try to remove the weight, I guess.
Basically, we can like accept that it's an error. If it's an e-child, we can just accept that. Does that make sense?
yeah, or we can ignore it. Yes, exactly. Like, yeah, that's just yes, we're not going to panic. No panics.
Okay, what do we have here? Weight status?
Yeah.
What's the weight status?
Still alive, exited. Oh, silent. Oh.
I see. Okay, we accept okay. Exited.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know if there are more. No. We accept this. Right? With PID. We don't care about that. So that's okay.
Yeah.
And
we also accept child, I guess, then.
this is like air, no. That sucks. Nix, air, roar, air, no, air, no.
Each child. Yeah.
Child.
And we accept this as well.
So, what's a more idiomatic way to do this? Let
okay and
if,
let air. If let. I guess both work.
I
If
think
let
if
okay
let is,
weight status exceeded. Yeah.
yeah. And
or
this would be a let else. This pattern.
Yeah. Can we do
Or?
or? Yeah. Or this pattern.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, that's
That pattern equals panic.
Oh.
And field. Fields.
What field? Two fields.
Oh.
PID and I32.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
And nice. I love how Rust handles error, to be honest. Like,
yes.
Sure.
I like how you can do like this kind of stuff basically.
Sure.
Okay, let's see what it does then.
Systems programming.
Connect.
Okay.
Okay.
Rotated.
Okay.
Sure, it's good. Sorry. Share screen.
So so I say Olivier, take commands.
I was
Quite.
just the pilot, so what
don't
we were
take.
doing is that the pilot becomes captain.
Okay, the pilot becomes captain. Okay. And I become the or just
You become a usual person. I take the helm, and I become
okay. Right.
Okay, so I'm starting. So what's where we having? Okay, so we have the same thing as at
Connect.
the start, right?
Look where we start waiting for the subject's dead airline. In the output.
Oh.
There's a line for that. It's the only line that is not a trace.
Oh, yeah.
That's where we start waiting for that. That means it's after the kill.
Yeah.
Then we have the trigger. So we build, terminated successfully, command browser reload. And then we have this connection error, connection reset.
That's not the same as the one we had at the start. But at the start we had handshake thingy, right?
I think so.
Yeah,
It
we
could
had
be
like a
very hard to like guarantee what kind of error we get here, right? But we could also wait for a certain kind of. Well, we don't really. You know, it may be that we don't need to trigger anything. Like, can we try not triggering? Because maybe it's maintaining a connection and we don't need to trigger anything.
Yes.
Line 13, 14. What I mean by trigger is that we don't need to write a source file.
Yeah.
Don't need to trigger a build and a reload. We just kill the browser and see whether we get an error. Because I suppose it's there are pings. It's like a WebSocket protocol maintains. There we go.
All right.
I
So
think
we
this
got
is good. Just throw in.
Yeah.
And that also means we only send the signal. We don't need that wait.
So we don't need this one?
No, we do need to wait for the std.
Yeah.
We don't need to wait PID.
Oh.
Yeah, now just copy our CDP error.
Mm-hmm.
A bit more of it.
Okay, yeah.
Maybe even all of it. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yes.
I mean, it's from a library, so that it might just break when we bump. But
Mm.
maybe it's safer to do just the
Yeah, to just do this
WebSocket
and
protocol error.
Mm-hmm.
Reduce
the
the
scope.
chance of breaking.
And do we have? Yeah, we put a double. I try. We can also
Clean up.
Mm.
No. What?
because it's not used.
Not it.
This is a CP warning, I think.
It's to remove the line.
Yes.
We don't use it.
We don't.
Mm.
Yeah, true. Let's see if it still works. Yeah. All right.
Go for the warnings.
Yeah.
F8.
F8.
Mm-hmm.
That works.
Press F8. Control dot on those.
What? Okay.
F8.
Yeah.
I am seeing 3 errors and 7 warnings in your
Where
status
are
bar.
you?
Yes, the same.
What?
So
Where is this? Okay.
just keep cleaning up.
Spelling error. Spelling.
Can you shut that off?
Yeah. Actually, I don't know where this comes from.
It's codebook. It says so.
Yeah, but it's not in here. But
What do you mean it's not? I just saw it in the menu.
in here.
Codebook.
Oh yeah, yeah. Step server. Looking for another one. F8. But I have no F8 anymore. But that's live. No, it's not.
Rotate.
Rotates.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my last thing. I have to go at 11, in 7, in 8 minutes. I give you. No, I give nothing. Officer, make me captain.
Take command.
Yeah. And Flavio, you take the helm.
Okay. Okay, screen sharing. Okay, so map start 7. And let's see. So we should
Just a reminder.
fix the errors.
and the warnings.
Okay.
So
Battery
unused
Then
disabled, not
import.
what you are
Wow.
saying is not up to date. You have to save.
Oh,
Okay. It's not up to date yet.
It
I
is
think I
now. As
should.
soon as you saved,
Oh,
it
okay.
was.
Environment variable is not blah 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 blah. I can
That's
ignore
because
it.
no, that's because you can ignore it, but this is because your shell is out of date.
But okay, I will restart everything. Okay, close. Okay.
yeah. So let's see what's left. Apparently,
Okay.
Coco
And
Flaky.
so we try to run
all the test, I think.
Okay, run the test. Okay. Okay, run this.
Yeah, you can try with this one, and then we can run all the tests as well.
Yes.
I think. Get a little bit of dopamine.
Building.
Yeah. Okay, it
Passed.
passed. Nice. Yeah. And let's run all tests now. Just go test.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So normally it should all be good, hopefully.
In theory.
Oh, never mind.
One failed.
Okay, there is one that
Interesting.
failed.
I saw this failing once. This test is
Browser
flaky.
orphan.
It's
Okay,
what?
can you look at the test?
Okay.
So what's happening here?
Before we proceed, we should make a to-do somewhere. So do not forget the desired behavior is actually in question.
Not
this test.
Of the
the
browser.
other one.
Or the CPD. Yeah.
Just write a to-do there. It says something like
over here
in that CDP test.
So just like here?
Sure.
Like this?
Yeah.
Says like we actually get a trace from the library for free, but it's a debug, not a display. And it is error level. Okay, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. So we go back to have more fun. I could try to run. I just hope this.
Sorry. Because this test is flaky, it's actually valuable that we capture the result. So just take all that, like left and right lines.
Left and right. Oh, all of these. Okay.
No, just
and copy.
No, just the left and right.
Oh, left, right, left, PID 227.
And paste it as a comment right above that line. What is it? 606.
Assert 606.
Yeah.
Oh, this. Like this.
Yeah.
Sure, I put it to
so
do
we
there.
can to do yes. This something like this test is failing sometimes.
Flaky. Yeah, exactly.
Here's the. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's nice.
Yes.
Can you try again to run it? See if it's still.
Yes,
if
I
it's
use
just
with also no capture.
Yeah.
Let's see. Maybe it's some sort of race condition. Oh, it's failed again.
Okay,
yes.
it's. I think it's not the same KD, right?
Well, obviously.
Yeah.
Yes, it's going to change. Yes.
Good. This it's not immediately clear to me, but I don't want to start speculating because before I finish the sentence, Olivia would have to go.
Yes, me too.
Yeah.
I have to go by.
For your information, the test is passing for me, but
I love that.
Yeah. So it's a race.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm going
Awesome
to
work,
do
guys.
just mob next, so we can just
Yeah.
publish that.
We did a challenging test, and also we like uncovered the fact that the trace appears twice. That'll be an easy fix. And we like captured the failing of a flaky test, which is also valuable. And we learned a few things.
Sure.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for today's session then.
Thank you. Bye bye.